We are from core manufacturing, and automation for us majorly actually means transcending on the shop floor more than the people. But me being from HR, we see it more holistically, and so not only automation and technology is changing the face on the shop floor, but also in how HR is moving and treating or our function as a whole. So now I think we've lot into analytics, and earlier, typically when I started my career, HR was mostly about the personal touch, and our reach was defined by how many people we knew and how we knew the pulse of the organization. But that is kind of changing a lot, and that's what we're trying to do. We kind of making use of a lot of the data analytics, as we call it, trying to get more into the insights of the people, being more objective. It's no longer on you and I may see a person differently based on our interaction and subjectivity, but now we're depending more on the data, trying to be more predictive, looking at the trends, going into root cause analysis, not based on subjectivity and the gut feel. Where I come from, my generation, we were more into the gut feel. But that is changing a lot while we talk about HR in today's world.